Menteri Rangba kajala Conrad ke sangma hakisngi palai jong katayo ulapan pau kajing sngongu ya Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi halor kajing jet ya kajing Jingtyrwa jong kajala ban Phah ya kajing Jingtyrwa ban yo ya kajing ithuh haka UNESCO World Heritage.
Friends, it is my privilege and honor to share with you the wonderful news that the Jingkieng, the living root bridges of Meghalaya, are being nominated by India for the 2026-27 cycle for possible inscription as a World Heritage Site in the 49th Committee meeting in 2027. As India's ambassador and permanent representative to UNESCO, I thank Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Culture Minister, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, officers of the Archaeological Survey of India, of the Ministry of External Affairs, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad, Principal Secretary, Shri Frederick Kar Kongor, officers of the Government of Meghalaya, experts and the local communities guarding this incredible cultural heritage of humanity for this historic nomination. I extend my warm greetings to the people of Meghalaya, and I assure you that we will leave no stone unturned in all our efforts to obtain this well-deserved recognition to the Jingkieng of Meghalaya. I'll speak a line in the Khasi language. Naka liang jong ga kum u ambassador na India Shakha UNESCO ga e kublai kripang eki nongshong shong ka jala Meghalaya bad naka liang jong gi gin priang baro ki lat ki linti ban piono ka katai ka jingitu ba kripang naka binta ki Jingkieng living root bridges Kiba Donha ka Jala Meghalaya. Kublai Mithila. Thank you and Bharat Mata ki jai. Thank you.
Thank you, Ambassador.
Menteri Rangba kajala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulipan pau kucing sungo Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi. Badu Menteri ke Sorkar Pedang ubakmi Tanah Culture uga Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Halor kajing jet ya Jingkieng jong kajala ban Phah Jingtyrwa ban yo ya kajing ithuh na ka UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ulipan pau bagajing Phah Jingtyrwa baya Jingkieng Liu Chrai Cultural Landscape aneka Living Root Bridge Cultural Landscape ban pendrung ha kathup jong ke UNESCO kumka World Heritage Site. Kadika kelemat ka bakrau gajela bat kipat ba. Ulong bagane Jingtyrwa ka peni gi prasnam jong ke Jingtyrwa ka bagentup yaki hinru pulai tligi shnong saupu artli ki cooperative bachis pa arpo tli tam gi Jingkieng ka bapenina me Jingtyrwa kajing shimkhya rig shnong gitaw hagaban pendek pensa kajing don kibana do hendai ban chupengen mau u Vishal V Sharma unongra tinsiem bat permanent representative dari India shak UNESCO ula IT kajing terwa ha u director jong ke UNESCO's World Heritage Center ban pendrong ya kini Jingkieng ha gatop jong UNESCO World Heritage Site ha kaznam arajar arpun reo arpunyo Jingkieng kedan hakaleng gidulom khasi ba jantia jong ne gejela bagani gejing Phah Jingtyrwa ka pani ya gejing long trai gejing long jingman galariti ka ba em kabaladan nado ki por hendai thai di pat khasi ba jantia bat ka pani gejing dai nado tenrai ba gejing bahajing miat apreng gi pat ba bat kamarian.
Friends, as you are all aware, the Jingkieng or the Living Root Bridge has been sent as the official nomination of the Government of India for the UNESCO World Heritage Site. I take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister as well as the Honorable Minister for Culture for considering our nomination. Thank you.